how this MBA journey happened in your life.
Okay. So to begin with, it wasn't in my to-do list to do an MBA right now because as we all know, as a fresher, you're quite skeptical about doing an MBA. You also like want to explore the options of getting a work ex and then joining MBA. But in my case, I think I took this decision of doing MBA right after my undergraduation. And for me, the journey has been quite smooth. The transition has been quite smooth. And also that is because of this college too, because I feel it felt like home in like 2 or 3 months. That's it. So yeah, it was quite nice. The transition was quite smooth.
What have you done in graduation?
Okay, so in graduation, I did BCom honors from NMIMS Indore.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Also, whenever you go to this any college, you have certain expectations,
Yeah.
right? And while looking for colleges, you don't have just one option, you have multiple options,
So that
right? So on what basis you have finalized that this is something I have to go for? On what parameters somebody should shortlist a college in generic, right?
Okay.
That you should look for this or you should look for that. What do you think?
well, in my opinion, when I was taking the decision what college to finalize, I think the most important thing which I was looking for was the teachers. Like, how are the professors? How well are they? Or I mean, will they be able to like help us in some or the other way, other than academics also? Like, it's PGDM and MBA is not only about academics. It's a whole personality development, and I think the professor here, what I noticed, help you in all sorts of life aspects, not just in academics. So I guess they give you a overall development, like personality development. So that was a main priority that I was looking for.